Singapore Science Centre and National Science and Technology Board, in collaboration with the first LEGO League, have joined forces once again to bring us, only one of its kind in Asia, the National Junior Robotics Competition 2000. This competition, first introduced in 1999, is now bigger and better. The success of the first competition has attracted more teams this time round. Marking a significant event in the new millennium for science and technology, this tournament is designed with a student in mind. The opening of the Robotics Learning Center also makes science and learning more accessible.
Educationalists have now all agreed that learning should not be confined to schools, but that actual learning takes place everywhere: homes, theatres, shopping centres, and of course science centres. The Robotics Learning Centre and in fact the National Junior Robotics Competition are actually two such environments where learning takes place and in fact is intensified in terms of the energy level and the creativity.
The National Junior Robotics Competition is the single largest first LEGO League event in the world. It's, from a LEGO perspective, fantastic to see the impact of this event in Singapore. The number of students, the number of schools, the number of people, parents, everyone kind of involved in this event is fantastic.
The National Junior Robotics Competition was organized with the student in mind. We wanted the students to learn science and technology in a hands-on way, and we wanted to promote them in this competition. And we see that this competition gave them an opportunity to display their interests at national level. But what we got from the students was much more than just their interests and in science and technology. Among other things that they have learned is the true spirit of teamwork and what are the thick and thins that they have to go through in celebrating the whole process in competing in this competition.
Competitors arrive at the arena with much excitement. Their weeks of hard work and preparation will be put on display in a spirit of teamwork, creativity and individual abilities amongst students. With more competitors compared to 1999, the tournaments look set to be a great success this year. The programmed robots will be required to overcome challenging obstacles. These teams will discover their strengths and weaknesses and how they can work together effectively as a team. Most important of all, they will discover firsthand that science can be fun and better understand the endless possibilities that are achievable through science and technology.
I wish all learning could be like that, and I really believe that all learning could be done in this kind of context where you're always working on projects that you believe in, care about, you're passionate about. Just look at the excitement of these kids. And it's not just because it's a special day, it's because they're doing wonderful things that are really exciting.
Within the playing fields, the programmed robots are placed in a tournament-like situation where they're required to perform specific tasks under certain conditions. Timing is of the essence. Each team decides on the best solution for the problem through research, testing, engineering, designing and building the best equipped robot. They are also required to develop a website to feature their teams and creations. This simulation of real-world environments gives students first-hand experience of the challenges and rewards of the design process.
They are very interested in this robotics topic, and on the way there, we see the value of teamwork there, where they encourage each other to keep each other going. When one is down, the rest will be there to lift them up, and then they continue to motivate each other to continue.
I learned a lot of things from this competition. Like I learned how to build a website using Flash 4, how to program a robot, and how to build a proper robot that actually works.
Taking part in this competition itself, they benefited a lot in the way they work together as a team, how they solve problems, how they manage the whole project in itself, and that I believe is the real benefit of taking part in this robotics competition, because there's so many aspects to it, and winning alone a prize is not the only thing that they really benefit.
The mood of the competition was electrifying as the entire arena filled up with cheers and excitement. Teams urged their respective robots even at times when the challenge seemed overwhelming.
Come on, members of the cheerleading team, make us go
more range of activities in the competition itself. Like for the main competition, they have 2 missions. Unlike last year, they had only 1. That gives competitors a better chance to win, and also there's more challenge in it. And now this year, to fire up the excitement, they even have the dancing robot competition.
The robots displayed great designs and innovative programming. This gave the judges and officials a great task, as the competitors possessed very high standards. At the end of 3 days of competition, fun and learning, competitors eagerly awaited the results. The judges are a group of professionals from various sectors in the industry. They completed a very difficult task of selecting winners for the various categories, as all competitors were winners in the tournament.
I'm very excited to see that the number of teams has grown from 167 teams last year to over 250 teams this year. This is a growth of more than 50%. And I'm also very impressed that the students are able to rise to the new challenges that we have given them this year.
All of us judges are from different industry. You have a lot of professional people. Yet when we meet the students and all that, I think we all felt their motivational spirit. We felt encouraged by the team spirit and the dedication that the students have put into their participation in the competition.
The Right Stuff award will be based on what the team learned in the competition and the reflection of this in their reports. It will also be based on the teamwork and team spirit displayed, plus overall excellence in the team's performance. The National Junior Robotics Competition will be an annual success for many years to come. The tournament ended with valuable experiences shared and new friendships forged.
We had a really good time for the past 3 days, and I think we'll be back here again next year. Definitely with more, more teams there is.
So excited when they called out our name. So yeah, basically we're really happy and we're glad we joined this competition. It's been a wonderful experience.
We've learned a lot about creativity and teamwork in this program. We hope we can participate again next year, because then we get to enjoy all the fun and the happiness we get when we enter the finals or when we produce a good robot.
Fond memories lingered as friends parted, but they'll be back next year to face the challenge once more.